Hello everyone, we are going to be solving daily Leetcode problem 231 power of 2. Before solving this problem, we shall have a small motivational quote. True understanding of limits comes only through experience. Even excess, you cannot fully appreciate what's enough. Means until you've gone beyond it and seen the consequences of too much, it reflects the idea that wisdom often comes from pushing boundaries, making mistakes, and learning where the line truly lies. Excess teaches moderation, right? So, world always continues to grow, so we should always push our limits as well. So that's one thing that I wanted to bring this out today. So this is an easy type problem. It's with respect to given an integer n, return true if it's power of 2, otherwise return false. Given n, an integer n is a power of 2 if there exists an integer x such that uh, n is equals to 2 power k, or the number n can be represented as power of 2, right? So if we will have to approach this problem, so the approach of this problem would be, there would be certain base conditions that we need to draw out, like if number is less than or equal to 0, then we need to return false, because it cannot be represented in terms of 2 power 0. If n is equals to 1, then return true, because 2 power 0 is equals to 1. And now as long as we divide, uh, we use while loop to iterate through the number, and we divide n modulus 2 is not equal to 0. If it is so, then we say that this is not a power of 2, and also we divide this number by 2 and continue with the operation. So that's something that we are going to do. Also here also we are going to say if n is equals to 1, return true, and that's the operation. So finally we, if there is no return of false, then we simply return true. So this is our approach. So we are dividing the number by 2, and we are checking if any, after certain number of divisions, if the modulus of 2 is not equal to 0, then we conclude saying that it cannot be made as a 2 power of any number, right? So let me go to the Leetcode editor and quickly solve this problem. Okay, as you can see, the time complexity of the solution is, it would be n log n times, because we are eventually having to divide this number by 2 times, or it would be n log n, and space complexity would be O of 1, right? Hope you found this video helpful. This was an easy type problem. Also, I have reached close to 100 videos on my channel. Hope all of my videos are helpful. Looking forward for more feedback and more content that I am going to do. Thank you.